How many times, dear child, have you looked to the horizon waiting for the return of the one who left? How many nights has your soul wept, longing for a sign, a whisper, a small piece of evidence that God is still working in the lives of those who have wandered away? Your heart grows heavy under uncertainty and the questions pile up. Is there still hope? Will they ever return? Was everything I sowed in vain? The pain of waiting feels unbearable. The silence screams louder than any words, and your faith is constantly tested. Your eyes search the circumstances, sometimes finding no sign of change. But listen to what I tell you, it was not in vain. I am the God who called Abraham and made him the father of a great nation. I am the one who parted the sea so that Israel could walk on dry ground. I am the God of David who strengthened his hands for battle and upheld him against his enemies, and I am your God. If I hold the universe together by the word of my power, if I command the sun and it obeys, if I calm the winds when I declare peace, why do you think I would have difficulty restoring your loved ones? Why do you doubt that the work I have begun will not be completed? I have never abandoned my own, and I will not start now. Your cries have not been ignored. Every tear you shed in intercession has been gathered. Every prayer spoken in secret has been recorded. Even though your eyes do not see, even though circumstances scream otherwise, I am working. Your faith will not be frustrated. The time of waiting with tears is coming to an end. The Lord will not only restore those who strayed, but he will also lift you up into a new season of harvest, progress, and anointing. A new time is unfolding before you, and this is the moment for you to take your position. Since the beginning of time, I have sought those who are lost. The first cry I made in human history was, Adam, where are you? That call was not a sentence of condemnation, but an invitation to restoration. Adam had hidden himself, ashamed and distant. But I sought him out, not because I did not know where he was, but because I wanted him to recognize his need to return to me. And just as I called Adam, today I call those who are lost. I see them, I know them, I seek them. Even if they have hardened their hearts, even if they have chosen paths far from me, no distance can keep me from reaching them. My eyes search the earth for those who belong to me. No matter how far they have gone, I will find them. I will speak to them in dreams. I will awaken their consciences through unexpected situations. I will place my servants in their path and draw them back with cords of love. Nothing is lost. Those you love do not belong to you but to me. Before they were born, I formed them and wrote each of their days, and what I begin, I complete. The enemy may whisper that it is too late, that they have gone too far, but my word is clear, none of those who are mine will be lost. Even if they wander for a time, I will bring them back. But there is something I need you to do, trust. Many times you try to carry a burden that was not placed on your shoulders. You strive to convince them, to change their minds, to find ways to make them see the truth. But that is not your role. I am the one who convicts, transforms, calls, and rescues. Your role is to believe, pray, and rest in me. Surrender your fears to me. Place your children in my powerful hands. Trust that I know what I am doing. When you trust, you rest. And when you rest, you allow me to act without interference. I have not lost control. Your loved ones are not drifting aimlessly. They are within the reach of my grace. Pray, intercede, stand firm in faith, love without limits. These are your weapons. Many times it will not be your words that bring back those who have strayed, but your life, the testimony you carry, the faith you exhale, the love you manifest. Let your posture be a beacon that shines and guides them home. But there is more. This is not just about them. It is also about you. I've seen your time of waiting. I've seen your training in the wilderness. I've observed every moment you were tested, when you felt your strength was running out. But listen, the time of preparation is coming to an end. What I have deposited in you was not in vain. Now is the moment to release everything that has been cultivated within you. I am pouring out upon you a new level of authority, an anointing that will break chains, transform cities, and impact nations. The enemy tried to weaken you because he saw what is coming. He knows that I am lifting you up, but listen to what I tell you. Every attempt to stop you will fail because I am the one who raised you up. Do not look at the attacks. Do not listen to the voices trying to discourage you. Focus on what I have placed before you. This is a time of advancement. I'm accelerating processes, opening doors that seemed closed, and positioning you strategically for what is coming. Everything that was stolen, everything that was broken or destroyed will be restored. The years that the devourer consumed are being redeemed. What seemed lost will be restored in double measure. Those who sowed with tears will reap with joy. The pain you faced, the nights of anguish, the days of uncertainty, everything will be transformed into an abundant harvest of joy. But there's something you must do. Prepare. This is a time of organization. Cut the ties that hold you to the past. Remove distractions. Let go of the weights that slow you down. I do not just want to bless you. I want to make you a channel of blessing. The world is in turmoil. The earth groans for the manifestation of my mature sons and daughters. The time has come. The harvest is ready. The wind of my favor is blowing and lifting those who remained faithful. Now is not the time to doubt. It is time to obey, to be courageous, to advance. Now is your moment to rise. Do not look back. Do not stop because of what was left behind. What I have prepared for you is greater than you can imagine. Those who left will return. Those who prepared will be promoted. Those who remained faithful will reap. Give yourself fully to my movement. I am positioning my people, preparing my vessels and pouring out an anointing that will transform lives. The harvest is ready, and I'm calling you to be part of it. I have not only called you, my child, I have equipped you. Everything you have endured was not for nothing. Every battle, every delay, every tear was shaping you for this moment. You have prayed for transformation, and now I am calling you to step into it. Do not shrink back when the door opens. Do not second guess when I lead you into unfamiliar places. I have already gone before you. You ask if you are ready. You are. Not because you feel strong, not because you have all the answers, but because my hand is upon you. The enemy will try to remind you of your failures, your weaknesses, your inadequacies. But do you not see? I've always chosen the unlikely ones. I called a stuttering man to confront a king. I used a shepherd boy to bring down a giant. I appointed those considered unworthy to proclaim my name. It has never been about human strength. It has always been about my spirit. You're stepping into a time where discernment will be your greatest ally. Do not be quick to follow every voice that claims to speak for me. Many will come with enticing words, but not all will carry my heart. The enemy is subtle. He does not always appear as a storm. Sometimes he disguises himself as a gentle breeze, leading many astray with partial truths. But you, stay anchored, stay close to me. Let my voice be the one that leads you, not the noise of the world. Be careful of distractions, my child. Not every opportunity is from me. Not every open door is meant to be walked through. The enemy knows he cannot destroy you, so he will attempt to delay you. He will place good things before you, hoping you will settle for them instead of my best. That is why you must seek me daily. Do not move ahead of me, but do not lag behind either. Timing is everything. There will be moments when you feel alone in your calling, when those you thought would support you remain silent. When those who once walked beside you choose another path, do not be discouraged. I set apart those I intend to use. I separate before I send. If you feel isolated, it is because I am drawing you closer. I am teaching you to rely on me alone. Do not be afraid to leave certain things behind. There are places, habits, and even relationships that were part of your past season but cannot go where I am taking you. It is not rejection, it is refinement. I am cutting away what is unnecessary, stripping away what weakens you, so that you may walk in the fullness of what I have prepared. Trust the process. Do not waste time lamenting what was lost. You cannot move forward while looking backward. What I have ahead of you is far greater than anything you had to let go of. Your attachment must not be to the past, but to my promise. Keep your eyes forward, your heart steadfast, your spirit ready. I'm sharpening your ears to hear me in new ways. You will sense my leading in moments you least expect. You will hear my whisper when others hear only silence. Do not ignore these promptings. The more you obey, the clearer my voice will become. I'm positioning you strategically. You may not understand why I've placed you where you are, but nothing is accidental. Even now, I'm aligning people, arranging divine appointments, setting the stage for what is to come. Do not despise the small beginnings. The greatest works begin in hidden places. You will be misunderstood at times, even by those who love me, even by those who once stood with you. Do not waste time defending yourself. Do not let offense take root in your heart. Walk in love. Let your life be your testimony. Those who doubt now will one day see what I was doing all along. Prepare for an increase in opposition. The enemy does not attack what does not threaten him. If resistance rises, it is because you are advancing. Do not fear the battle. I am with you. No weapon formed against you will succeed. Every arrow sent against you will be turned for my glory. The people you are called to will not always be easy to love. Some will reject you. Some will test you. Some will try to manipulate or wound you. But love them anyway. Your love will break walls. Your consistency will wear down resistance. Your kindness will be a light in places of deep darkness. Be careful with your words in this season. Your mouth carries authority. Do not speak death over what I am trying to resurrect. Do not curse what I am calling you to bless. Speak life, declare my promises. Your words will shape the reality around you. Do not neglect the secret place. Public anointing comes from private devotion. The power you desire will not come from striving, but from abiding. Make time for me, sit with me. Let my presence be your greatest pursuit. You will soon see answers to prayers you forgot you even prayed. Delayed does not mean denied. Some things have taken time, not because I ignored you, but because I was aligning everything perfectly. Now the appointed time is drawing near. You are stepping into unfamiliar territory. It may feel overwhelming, but do not fear. I have already equipped you. Every lesson, every hardship, every season of waiting was preparing you for this. Do not hesitate. Move forward boldly. I will bring provision where you least expect it. Do not worry about how things will come together. Just obey. When I send you, I supply you. You will not lack. Miracles will not always come in the way you expect. Sometimes they will be sudden and dramatic. Other times they will unfold gradually, like the rising of the sun. Do not despise the process. Every step is part of my plan. You will see restoration, but it may not look exactly as you imagined. Do not put limits on what I can do. I will not just return what was lost. I will transform it into something greater. Beware of exhaustion. The enemy will try to wear you out, not just with battles, but with unnecessary burdens. Guard your energy. Learn to say no to what I have not assigned to you. Not every need is your assignment. Stay humble. Do not let my favor make you prideful. The more I lift you, the lower you must go. Serve, remain teachable. Remember that every victory is mine. Do not compare your journey to others. I am doing something unique with you. Stay in your lane. Do not envy. Do not compete. Rejoice in what I am doing in others and trust that what I have for you is coming in its time. I am raising up people to support you. Divine connections are coming. You will not have to do this alone. Those I send will carry my heart, my vision, and will stand with you in the battles ahead. There is an urgency in the spirit. Do not delay. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Step forward now. Obey now. Act now. The window is open, and those who move in faith will walk in my favor. The world is growing darker, but you are called to shine. Do not be discouraged by what you see. Where sin increases, grace abounds even more. My light in you will not be overcome. You are not just called to survive, you are called to take ground. The enemy has occupied territories that do not belong to him. I'm sending you to reclaim them. Walk boldly, walk with authority.